What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today I got a question for you guys. The question is, which motor oil are you using and why? See, there's always been these debates around which is the best oil to use and why, and which one gives you the longest protection, and this, that, and the other. But the ultimate question is, if you're changing your motor oil between 3,000 to 5,000 miles, at that point, does it really even matter? I mean, at that point, you have the difference between a full synthetic, a synthetic blend, and you've got your regular conventional oil, which is basically your lowest mileage, your 3,000 mile oil. But if you're changing your oil regularly, apart from the differentiations between the synthetic and the conventional, does it really matter? So you take your car to the dealership and they go ahead and they get things pulled off and they get ready to put that oil in. What are the dealers using for oil? In some cases, I've seen dealerships use a Valvoline product. Various dealerships are using different products, and then you get into the discussion as to what are the OEM oil specifications anyways, like who are they using to manufacture their oil. So when it comes to frequency and your brand of choice, let me know in the comments what you guys are doing. I'm just curious to know what everybody else is doing, as a lot of DIYers out there have come up with their own little ways of doing things when it comes to oil changes. Let me know in the comments what you guys are doing, and we'll have a nice discussion on this topic. It's your boy BT, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.